They think they see me, but they don't know me. Not even close. I walk in silence, I own the room. Every eye lock, they follow my move. Smile so pure, yeah, I play it right. But deep inside, I'm dressed in night. Every word I say is designed. Every step is calculated mine. You think you know me, that's your mistake. I'm 10 steps ahead in every game I play. Different faces, different lies. Every truth is just disguise. You feel safe when I'm around. That's the moment you go down. I'm the devil in disguise, looking like your paradise. I can read you, play your soul, break your mind and never show. You think I'm kind, you think I care, but I'm a shadow in the air. Every move is by design. You're the puppet, I'm the mind. I shape my voice to fit your soul. Be who you need, I take control. Mirror your dreams, feed your trust. Turn it to dust when I've had enough. You're all the same, predictable. So easy, so controllable. But no one gets the real of me. Every laugh is engineered. Every doubt just disappears. You don't question, you just fall. I'm the smartest of them all. I'm the devil in disguise, looking like your paradise. I can read you, play your soul, break your mind and never show. You think I'm kind, you think I care, but I'm a shadow in the air. Every move is by design. You're the puppet, I'm the mind. I don't lose, I don't chase, I replace, I erase every soul, every face. Just another in my game. I'm the devil in disguise, hidden right before your eyes. Every truth I redefine. You'll never know this mind of mine.